Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a chill day. I mean, every day in quarantine is a chill day for me, but right now especially, I haven't been doing anything. I got most of my homework done already. I probably just will be done for the day. Right now, I'm a little bothered by my family, and I kind of just want to stay in my room. So I just wanted to bring you guys along because I have to clean my room, and then I'm gonna make my room into like a little movie theater for myself. Not an actual movie theater, but kind of like, I have windows. I mean, everyone has windows. I have a big window in my room, and I want to block it off to make it more dark in my room, and then I can make my bed all cozy and just have a rom-com movie marathon. It stinks because I wish the library was open so that I could rent movies that aren't on Netflix or Hulu or anything, because a lot of movies that I have on my movie watching list, which is far too long by the way, you have to buy them. So I really wish the library is open, but it's not. The first step for this is to clean my room. Okay, now my room is pretty much clean, just more neat. So I started working out with my mom at night, but I think I am going to do it now without her. And it's just the 10-minute Chloe Tang ab workout challenge. You can already hear that I'm literally out of breath, and that's just because it's so hot in my room, so putting on the fan. So I'm gonna do her workout right now. Okay guys, so it's not much later at all, but a lot has happened since I last spoke to you. Long story short, when I went to the post office, I realized the library had curbside pickup. Called them, they didn't have the movies I wanted. Went to the post office. My mom kind of messed up the packages. Love you, Mom, but they're messed up. Had to go home, back to the post office. And let's resume back to the normal vlog. And now I'm back here. But now that I know that the library has curbside pickup, I think they close at 9, so the man said that I could go to their website and see what movies they have in stock on there, and then I can just call, set a time to pick up the movies, and they'll be on the curb waiting for me. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. What I wanted to watch, which I asked him about and he said that they didn't have, was She's All That and Never Been Kissed. I really wanted to watch those. Okay guys, so here's the deal. I looked up some movies and I couldn't find any other rom-coms that I really wanted to watch. So I think I'm just gonna rent She's All That because I want to watch She's All That more than Never Been Kissed. And I just like am so in the mood to watch a movie like this. Okay, so now that we found our movie, the next step is food. My mom is making dinner now and it's homemade mac and cheese, which is a perfect food to watch movies. The next step would be my outfit. I'm gonna keep this shirt on, and then I have these pants on for when I went to the post office, but I'm gonna put on pajama pants. I'm gonna do a really cool transition, like a TikTok transition. I hope that worked. Next step is to block out the sunlight, and to do that I have this comforter, blue comforter. My mom's screaming. Anyways, my mom said that dinner won't be ready for 30 minutes. And I'm sad because I'm so starving. I haven't eaten in a while. I could have some grapes while I wait. I don't know, we'll see. But let's just put this comforter on the window. So I'm just going to... Okay, that didn't work. All right. If anyone like looks through my window, they're gonna be like, what the heck is this girl doing? This, it looks like it's really bright, but it's actually not. I could even like somehow could even pin that. That actually looks like good lighting right now. It's not that bright in real life. Okay, so my stupid memory card was full, but I figured it out. I somehow used the bobby pin, so somehow this is working, and it looks really bright in here still, but I promise you it's not. And I also have a window right here, which is actually why the lighting is probably so good right here, but the window is not bright, and I think this is dark enough, a good ambiance for my mini movie theater. So my hunger has not left me. Now I think, I almost fell. Now I think I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna fill up my gallon of water because I only filled it up halfway today because I just got bored of waiting for it to fill up. And I think I'm gonna grab some grapes. Grab some grapes or some sort of snack before dinner. Okay, so just went downstairs. Not the best result. Got more mad at my family and that resulted in me not getting a snack. So I'm still hungry, but I think the dinner is gonna be ready soon. Right now I'm just gonna check to see how much the movie is. I'm gonna rent this once the dinner's ready. And yeah. I'm in the middle of the movie and I decided to get an ice because I finished my dinner and I just wanted one because my mom got these today and I love the blue Italian ices from Icy or by Icy. I don't know, the brand is Icy, but literally delicious. I already had a little bit. Love is in the air. Alright guys, so it is much later. It is almost 11, 10:56. And I watched 2 movies. Oh my gosh, I'm so shiny. I just washed my face and put on some moisturizer, so that's why my face is shiny. I watched 2 movies. The first one was, you guys saw, She's All That, and that was such a cute movie. It made me so happy. I loved that movie. And the second movie I watched was About Time, and that was on Netflix. And it was a really cute movie and more of like, it wasn't a rom-com, it was, oh my gosh, more of a romance with like the classic drama that it always will have. I cried. I cried at every single movie. And then I also had popcorn and what else? Oh, I had a little piece of chocolate. So I'm going to bed now and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Start your computations.